So all cadets, I have to show you how to create your activity in this form, because this is the project of Agro. They want the paperless submission in the Binacle. So if you submit pure image, I cannot open here. It's very laggy, very slow, very slow motion. So in this form, for example, you download the form and you have to draw in a separate paper your drawings, and here you can also answer here. For example, you can you can answer here also the questionnaire here. So you can also answer here. You can type your answer here, but the one you have to paste is your drawing, your handwritten drawing. Your handwritten drawing. So you have to draw in a separate paper. And then, for example, draw a turbocharger construction and flow of gases, for example. So I will give you an example of drawing here. So you have to paste. So you have to use WPS. You have to install WPS apps in your gadget, or if you are using computer, you have already your Word document in your computer, so you can easily paste the drawing here. But do not paste the drawing that is not handwritten, or that is not yours. You have to draw the drawing, and then you have to take picture, and then you have to paste here. So your actual drawing. But the questionnaire you can type in a computer also. You can computerize, no problem. But the drawing you have to handwritten it. So I will show you an example. So this is the form. So here I have the picture. So I have the drawing. So I will copy this one. So I will copy. And then I will open the Word document. Then I will paste here. Now I paste. Then you have to format. You have to increase the size to its to fit this box. This one. So this is your drawing, your actual drawing. This one here. And then next, for example, here you have to draw here. You have to attach your drawing here. So you have to. So I give you again an example. So other drawing. So this one. So I will copy. No. So I will copy this one. And then I will open the Word document, the form. And then, for example, draw a sectional view of turbocharger, for example. So this is the drawing, for example. So I have to paste. And then you have to increase the you have to fit the drawing in the box. You see? So this is how you create your activity in order to have a paperless submission in Binacle. Then you have to save. So here, when you submit to Binacle, so you have to submit this document. So you can proceed to Binacle. So this is the, for example, this is the document that you have to submit. This is the activity. So I will show you in the Binacle. For example, you have to submit here. So I will delete this submission, for example. So I will delete this submission. So here, I have to log out because I will submit. For example, you will submit. So this is my instructor account. So I will change the student account, for example. So I will log out. So why is it working? So for example, I will log in the student account. So here, so I will submit to, for example, activity 1, lab manual exercise 1. So here, so I will submit. So you don't have permission. This is 2. So this is mistake in the exercise 1, lab manual exercise 1. So you have to read which exercise you have to submit. This is 2. This is 1. So lab manual exercise 1. So click that one. For example, this is exercise 1. This is just an example. So now you have to click add submission. Choose file. You have to, for example, this is lab manual exercise 1, then week 1, then choose files. Choose files. Then you have to locate where your files, your Word document file. So you have to, so this is the one, for example. So this is the one. You have to click that one, click open, and you have here a file. Then click submit. So now your submission is being reviewed by the teacher. So the instructor will check your submission. So be sure your drawing you have to paste in a WPS Word document. Do not submit the what we call the image directly. You have to click the image. You have to follow this tutorial. You have to paste the image on the form wherein the form you are using in this activity. So you have to paste your drawing. So that is the procedure. So follow this procedure because this is a new project of Agro that you have to implement the paperless submission of your lab manual activity in the Binacle. So I will stop this video now. Follow this instruction so that I can check your activity. Do not submit the picture directly. You have to paste the picture of your drawing to this to the form that you are using. You have to save and you have to submit to the Binacle in each activity. So I have to stop this video now. This is your tutorial.